Okay guys, welcome to the first lesson. In the first lesson, we're going to be talking about harmonics. Now, first of all, what are harmonics? Well, they're different from regular notes. For example, if I play the E string like that, I just get a regular sounding note. But if I consider the distance between the nut and the bridge, and I go over to the 12th fret, and if I rest my finger just gently over top of the metal fret bar at the 12th fret, and just touch it very gently, not pushing down on it, just let it rest over top, and I strike the same note, I get this tone here. Hear the difference? Regular, harmonic. Okay, same is true on all the strings. Let's try it on the 4th string. 3rd. 2nd. And 1st. And you can hear how it sounds. There's a different, almost flute-like quality to a harmonic. Okay, and we're going to be exploring that throughout all the different lessons in this course. But we're going to start with the most commonly played region where harmonics, natural harmonics, are sounded, and that is the 12th fret bar. Okay, the 12th fret. So, to begin, what you want to do is, as I said, you want to gently rest it over top. If you're a fingerstyle player, anytime we're going to be heading down from the 6th string down to the 1st, you might want to use your thumb. If you're a pick player, you definitely want to do what's called a downstroke, where you're going down, 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 down. And then opposite, when we're actually going from the 1st string to the 6th string, you might want to do what's called upstrokes. So you might notice that sometimes my finger is actually going down with the actual strings and back up again. Other times you're just going to want to rest the finger. Sometimes you're going to want to use your 1st finger. Sometimes your 2nd finger. I commonly use my 3rd finger. It feels comfortable for me, so I want you to try them all out and see which one works for you. There will also be times where you have to use your pinky as well. So get comfortable with one, but be able to try to use all the different fingers to sound these. Okay guys, let's get into exercise 1. So in the first exercise, we're going to be resting, I'm going to use the 2nd finger over top of the metal fret bar. And all we're going to be required to do is to basically go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you're just going to basically be working on downstrokes and moving your finger with the harmonics as you sound them. Okay? So let's try it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. And then let's try coming back. Let's try going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's try one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And make sure you get each note. If you're getting a sound like this, then you know that you're pushing too hard. You really have to just very gently rest your finger just over top of that metal fret bar. Guys, and one other thing that I want to stress with you is that when you sound the harmonic, you don't really want to keep your finger there after you play it. You can, but it's quite common to sound it, take the finger away. See how the notes, the harmonic will still sound out. Let's try on the 1st string. You can hear how it rings out, even though your finger's not there. So just bear that in mind as we're going through it. Now we're going to speed it up a little bit with a backing track, and we're going to play. And one of your goals is going to be to take what we just did and speed it up a little bit and play with the exercise. So let's check it out. Okay guys, in exercise 2, we're going to use the same concept and we're going to stay at the 12th fret. But what we're going to do is, we're going to skip strings. And so you're going to want to go from the 6th string, and then do an upstroke on the 4th, and then a downstroke on the 5th string, an upstroke on the 3rd, a downstroke on the 4th, an upstroke on the 2nd, a downstroke on the third, and then an upstroke on the first string. And then when we come back, you're going to do an upstroke again on the first, a downstroke on the third, upstroke on the second, downstroke on the fourth, upstroke on the third, downstroke on the fifth, upstroke on the fourth, and then a downstroke on the sixth string. Now, all of these exercises can also be played using your fingers. If you wanted to, you could do a downstroke with the thumb, upstroke with the first finger, downstroke with the thumb, upstroke with the first finger, or if you want to use the second finger, it's up to you, and so forth. All right, then this exercise, we're going to be skipping strings. So that's the focus here, is to sound the harmonic at the 12th fret and while you're skipping strings. Let's give it a go. Okay guys, in exercise 3, what we're going to be doing is actually sounding the natural harmonics at the 12th fret with the open first string, so a regular note with the harmonic. What I mean by that is we're going to be moving, we're going to do a downstroke on the 6th string, upstroke on the 1st string, then a downstroke on the 5th string, upstroke on the 1st string, downstroke on the 4th, upstroke on the 1st, downstroke on the 3rd, upstroke on the 1st, downstroke on the 2nd, upstroke on the 1st. Then we're going to retrace our steps. We're actually going to hit the harmonic up here on the 1st string and hit the open string, and then back to the downstroke on the 2nd string, upstroke on the 1st, downstroke on the 3rd, upstroke on the 1st, downstroke on the 4th, upstroke on the 1st, downstroke on the 5th, upstroke on the 1st, and downstroke on the 6th, and upstroke on the 1st. So we're always coming back to that upstroke as we are playing through these exercises. Now, if you're a fingerstyle guitar player, you could also use your thumb, and then maybe first finger, thumb, second finger, thumb, first finger, thumb, second finger, rotating between these two. This is a great exercise not only for developing clarity when you're sounding natural harmonics, but also for your strumming hand as you work on picking or if you're fingering the different notes. I also want to add that it's very important as you move down. In this case, you probably don't want to rest your finger on one spot. You want to come down as you're sounding the harmonics and then come back up like so. Just very gently over top of the middle fret bar. All right, let's do exercise 3. Okay guys, in the next scene, we're going to have the chance to practice these exercises multiple times together and get it down. I'll see you there.